Ever wondered who's at your door when you're not home? Or want to upgrade your home security with the latest tech? At TECHNOLOGIESTRADE, we've got you covered. After extensive testing, we're excited to introduce the top smart doorbell camera that'll change the way you see home security. Literally. We've spent countless hours evaluating the Google Nest Doorbell, wired, 2nd gen, and it's hands down the best on the market. This smart doorbell stands out with its lightning-fast alerts and crystal-clear audio and video quality. Whether it's distinguishing between people, animals, cars, or packages, this device is incredibly accurate. And with the option for 24/7 recording, you'll never miss a moment. But what really sets this apart? We didn't just stop at testing one device. We put several through their paces, and while the Eufy Security Video Doorbell S220 impressed us with its long-lasting battery and sharp 2K images, and the Ring Video Doorbell wired offered great value at just $50, the Google Nest Doorbell consistently came out on top. Here at TECHNOLOGIESTRADE, we don't just review products, we put them through rigorous, real-world scenarios to ensure they meet the highest standards. From testing in various lighting conditions to analyzing motion detection accuracy, our hands-on approach ensures that when we recommend a product, it's because we genuinely believe it's the best for you. So, if you're looking for the ultimate smart doorbell camera that's reliable, feature-packed, and thoroughly vetted by experts, the Google Nest Doorbell, wired, 2nd gen, is your best bet. Trust our review, upgrade your home security, and click the link to get yours today. Remember, at TECHNOLOGIESTRADE, we don't just test products. We invest in ensuring that every recommendation is backed by our experience and dedication to quality. Subscribe for more trustworthy reviews and smart home tips.